Welcome to another journey through the cosmos. Today we travel to one of the most elusive and mysterious worlds in our solar system, Mercury. As we drift silently through the vacuum of space, we draw closer to the innermost planet of the Sun, a harsh, airless rock scorched by the star it endlessly orbits. Get ready for a descent into one of the least explored corners of our celestial neighborhood. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, orbiting at just 58 million kilometers. And yet, despite its proximity to Earth, it remains one of the least studied planets in the entire solar system. Why? Because Mercury is extremely difficult to reach. Its closeness to the Sun means any spacecraft must fight against the massive pull of solar gravity, requiring enormous energy and precise maneuvering. Even telescopes on Earth struggle to observe it. The Sun's blinding light overwhelms most efforts. Until now, only two spacecraft have ever visited: Mariner 10 in the 1970s and Messenger, which orbited Mercury from 2011 to 2015. As a result, many aspects of this planet, its composition, core, and evolution, remain largely unknown. From the surface of Mercury, the Sun appears massive, more than 3 times larger than it does from Earth. It dominates the black sky, pouring down blinding light and intense radiation, unfiltered by any real atmosphere. But here's the strange part. Despite Mercury's closeness to the Sun, it's not the hottest planet. Venus holds that title due to its thick atmosphere. Still, standing on Mercury at midday would mean enduring temperatures of up to 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees. Step into shadow, and you'd freeze at minus 180 degrees Celsius, minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. With no atmosphere to trap or distribute heat, the temperature difference between day and night is among the most extreme in the solar system. Mercury is ancient. It formed over 4.5 billion years ago, and its surface tells a violent story. Covered in impact craters, its landscape has barely changed for eons. Some craters are hundreds of kilometers wide, remnants of massive collisions from the chaotic early solar system. Gravity here is about 38% of Earth's. So if you weigh 70 kilograms on Earth, you'd weigh just 26 kilograms on Mercury. You could jump higher, lift more, but there'd be no air to breathe. Intriguingly, Mercury has a magnetic field, though weak compared to Earth's. It hints at a large, partially molten iron core, and scientists still debate how it remains active despite the planet's small size. Mercury is completely inhospitable to life as we know it. No living organism, human or otherwise, could survive unprotected on its surface. The Sun's radiation is lethal. The absence of an atmosphere means constant exposure to solar wind, micrometeoroid bombardment, and cosmic rays. Technically, Mercury has an atmosphere, but it's so thin and fragile that it's called an exosphere. It's made mostly of oxygen, sodium, potassium, and hydrogen, but these elements are scattered across space like dust. This exosphere can't trap heat, reflect sunlight, or protect against radiation. It's more of a ghost than a true atmosphere, a wispy halo constantly stripped away by the solar wind. This is a world locked in extreme contrast of light and darkness, of fire and ice, of silence and ancient violence. As we touch down, the terrain beneath us is harsh and lifeless. There's nothing lush, nothing alien, just a vast, scorched world dotted with craters and dust. Mercury's surface is not particularly dramatic. No towering mountains, no flowing lava. Its features are shaped mostly by impacts. Those craters you see, they formed over billions of years from collisions with asteroids and comets. With no atmosphere to burn up incoming objects, even small meteoroids strike the surface with full force, carving out scars that remain untouched for eternity. The largest crater, the Caloris Basin, spans over 1,500 kilometers across. It was created by a single, catastrophic impact billions of years ago. Thanks for joining this journey to Mercury. Isn't this planet beautiful in its own mysterious way? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more space adventures. See you next time among the stars.